3 things that I wish I knew before opening an ice cream store. Now this knowledge can be applied to anything, a restaurant, a coffee shop, a retail store. These are the 3 things that I wish that I knew when opening an ice cream store. Number 1, how to read, analyze, and design a blueprint. Number 2, how to be the general contractor. And number 3, what the hell is a grease trap? When it comes to the blueprint of the plans, this is where your design is, this is where your plans are, this is also where the stamps of the city are going to be. That's like basically their approval saying that, hey, they're doing their due diligence, they're doing their safety, they're doing their permit check on you. You know, if it wasn't for the city, opening a business would take 2 weeks. But since the city is so involved in the whole process of it, this process can take up to several months. If you know what the city wants in their code, you can accelerate that process by already having it on your plan. So when you submit it, you don't have to revise it too much, and then you can already, get that stamp. So right here you can see my initial plans for rolling ice, and you can see where I have, we needed a little more space in the kitchen. These are plans that I was sending out to my my blueprint artist. And so, right now we have a booth right here, and this is the booth that went into rolling ice. We had originally, look, you can see that we had the 3 compartment sink planned right here. This is something that the city requires for you to have, like this is for your cleaning your dishes and stuff. So this was originally inside of the kitchen, but we ended up moving it in here in the storage room because this allowed us to have way more space right here in the open. This is where my fridge needed to be, because over here you can see there's no fridge. And so if I didn't know what to place where and how, that was going to, shit. So you have to know where to place what in your blueprints. Our lights are going right here, what type of ceiling tiles there are, the mechanical side of it, all the stuff is very important to read, and you can see here, add city notes regarding grease trap. What the hell is a grease trap? Next thing I wish I knew was how to be a general contractor. As the last one would have saved me a bunch of time with the city, being a general contractor would have saved me thousands and thousands of dollars. Being the general contractor is the person who's going to get all the things done on the blueprints. And you're working on a bid over here, so yeah. You guys talk and see what kind of bundle price you can give me for the job over here. But I need the installation and stuff done, so if you know anybody, if you don't, let me know, but keep that in mind when you're pricing, because right now the way that I have things structured is through the installation, through the electrical work, all that is all together, Yeah. But if you're not going to do the installation, please beware of that when you're giving me the bid.
Yes, so, yes, I will. I'll let you know. But more is the plumber. Maybe it's the one that it can install them for. Okay. Because I don't know what to do with fryers. Or,
right.
I just do just electrical to the spot.
Okay.
And that's my all my job. Yeah.
Sounds good, man. I'll give Nolan.
Just give Nolan a call, and then just tell him, so that way he kind of knows. Maybe he can give you a better price.
Okay, I'll call him right now. Thank you.
All right.
So, what's the difference between a contractor and a general contractor?
I would say the main difference between a general contractor and a contractor is that when you're a general contractor, you have to have overview of the whole project. Whereas a contractor is someone you can bring along. So there's different types of contractors. Some do electrician work, some do plumbing work, some do mechanical, HVAC, some do painting. Some can do a multiple of things. But there's people who lack in certain areas. So a general contractor is the person who brings in all the contractors if he can't do the job himself, and makes the project basically complete. So if I need electrical work done, I'm going to call in an electrician, who's going to get it done. The electrician is the contractor. The general contractor is the person bringing in. So if you have good general contractor knowledge, which is basically knowing the flow of how, that you're going to be constructing and what you're going to be constructing and how, and the good knowledge of people in your backbone, that's going to allow you to get good deals, and it's going to allow you to get the job done professionally. And so if you have a bad general contractor, which means that, you're going to have someone who doesn't have the knowledge of the business and how to construct that business. So if you have the knowledge yourself, you're able to apply that and save thousands and thousands of dollars. If you need some work done, I believe finally I put together people who have the knowledge to help you get started. So just message me and we can do some business. Now third, what the hell is a grease trap? You know, if I knew what a grease trap was, I could have saved $15,000 to $20,000. And just yesterday I was speaking to someone and I told them about a grease trap. And he was like, whoa, I never even heard of that. But he was looking for a location. So that point helped him save a lot of money. Basically what a grease trap is a grease interceptor, 500-gallon plus, that is full of concrete, is placed into the ground behind your restaurant. And you put grease in it, you put waste in it so it connects to the sewer line with the city. And I, in the beginning, had no idea that it would cost so much to be put in one. And me, I was opening an ice cream store, so I have no grease in the first place. So having the knowledge of a grease trap in the beginning that, hey, I'm going to need it to open my ice cream store, I would probably have found a location that has an existing grease trap or, you know, negotiated something. However, you know, everything happens for a reason. I learned what it was. Now, if I do it next time, I'm definitely going to do it better. I hope you were able to learn something in this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, a like, comment. It really helps me keep on going on making these videos. And also message me on the type of videos you want to see, the type of business advice that you need, and I'll drop a video about it in the near future. And until then, I'll see you next time.